The Soft Bullet toy gun from the Kiliandi store offers an engaging and affordable option for those looking to enjoy a realistic shooting game experience. This toy gun comes with a rifle design and includes 10 EVA soft bullets, making it a fun and safe choice for outdoor play. It is designed to improve the shooting experience by allowing users to aim through a small telescope, simulating the feel of a sniper rifle. This feature enhances accuracy and adds to the enjoyment when playing shooting games with friends or family. The product is marketed as suitable for users aged 14 and older, making it a versatile gift for teenagers and adults alike. One of the standout features of this toy gun is its safety and ease of use. It does not require batteries, which not only makes it safer for children, but also more convenient since it can be used anytime and anywhere without worrying about power sources. The lightweight design, weighing just 5.6 ounces and measuring 8.6 by 2 by 4 inches, makes it easy to carry and handle. This compact size, however, has been noted by some users as smaller than expected, which might be a consideration depending on the intended user's hand size. Performance-wise, the Soft Bullet toy gun shoots well, with users reporting that it can fire darts up to 20 to 30 feet with good accuracy. The darts themselves are made of soft EVA foam, similar in quality to those of more expensive brands, ensuring safe play without the risk of injury. The gun loads and shoots one dart at a time, which adds to the realism and encourages careful aiming rather than rapid firing. This makes it an excellent tool for teaching younger users about gun safety, handling, and target practice in a controlled and fun environment. Users have praised the toy gun for its high-quality plastic construction, which contributes to its durability. Several reviews mention that it has held up well over months of use, even with active play involving children. The toy's robust build and reliable shooting mechanism make it a worthwhile purchase for those seeking a budget-friendly, yet effective toy gun. The product also serves as a great gift option. It is recommended for occasions such as birthdays, Christmas, Easter, New Year, Halloween, and Thanksgiving. Its appeal spans both children and adults, making it a unique gift that can nurture relationships through shared play. Many users suggest buying 2 guns to maximize the fun, allowing for friendly competitions and interactive games. Despite its positives, some users have pointed out the size as a drawback, describing it as smaller than anticipated. This may affect comfort for older users or those with larger hands. However, the smaller size is also seen as a benefit for younger children who are just being introduced to toy guns. It provides a safe and manageable way to learn about shooting and handling. Overall, the Soft Bullet toy gun offers a compelling mix of affordability, safety, and realistic play features. It is easy to use, portable, and provides a satisfying shooting experience with soft foam darts that are safe for indoor and outdoor use. The included telescope aiming feature and the quality of the darts enhance the overall value of the product. For those looking for an inexpensive toy gun that performs well and is suitable for a wide age range, this product is a solid choice. If you have experience with this toy gun, leaving a review in the comments can help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description and can support the channel. This toy gun stands out as a practical and enjoyable option for anyone interested in shooting games and safe toy guns.